I guess the big question is, why create your own products? Why bother with product creation, all the stress and the time and the money involved with creating your own product? Why not just go into something like affiliate marketing, as a whole lot of many online business persons are doing? Well, the reasons for creating your own products are not far-fetched. It is true that with affiliate marketing, you don't have to face the stress of the time of putting money into creating your own product. You can just pick up a product and start promoting and getting your commissions. And there are platforms that give you 5%, 3%, 4% commissions, and there are platforms that give you like 50 to 70% or even 100% commission, depending on the product in question and the quality of the product in question. Now, despite all this, that with affiliate marketing and some other businesses, online businesses, all the other types, you don't need to create your own product, but there are really good reasons and tangible reasons and profitable reasons why you should be creating your own products. And then, even though you don't have the time, the stress and all the funds involved with creating your own product, that is why PLRs and white label product exist, that you can just rebrand, put your name on it and start earning. So what are the reasons? Why is it very important that you create your own product? Very first reason that makes a whole lot of persons decide to create their own product is that you get to earn 100% of every profit that comes from the product creation. You don't need to give anyone commission. You don't need to share or anything. You don't need to pay fees to any platform for at all. Nothing at all. As a matter of fact, you get everything. So you see, you create the time, you spend some funds, and you do some research, you get a product out, and forever you get to be earning 100% commission. Now, another reason is that you get to be making money on autopilot. Now, the moment you have set up, you have created your product and you have set up the system and all the engines and all, the money practically comes in on autopilot. You don't need to be doing any extra work anymore. And also, you get to recruit an army of affiliates, a lot of persons that will be helping with promoting your said product. I have product and I have a lot of persons that are promoting this product, and I make money even without having to do any work. Whether I promote or not, there are persons helping with promoting of this product. And this is another reasons why you should be thinking of getting into product creation or having your own product. And PLR gives you the avenue to have loads and loads of products, whether digital or even physical product, because you can package some of these digital products into physical product, like physical CDs, or you have physical books. Totally worth it to have your own products. Then you can get to build multiple email lists, even if you are not into any particular niche, you are not familiar with it. Let's say you are more into the make money online, you are not familiar with the health niche, but if you can equally have products that you can give away in any niche, let's say real estate or health, that you are interested in, and build an email list in those niches and sell this product, your own product, now that you have gotten from white labels or from PLRs, and market to these particular niches that you are totally unfamiliar with. And also, in the summary of it all is that creating your own product is the best way to make money online. You can practically relax somewhere, and the product that you have created will keep on making money for you for life. So these are just some of the key reasons why you should be creating your own product. And if you have not started creating your own product, you should start considering right now. Aside all this, it helps with branding you as an authority in that particular niche when you have your own product that you are selling, you are marketing, and that affiliates are helping you to market. So thank you and God bless. When we come back, we are going to be looking at what PLR products are, what they actually are, and what these products are all about. See you in the next tutorial.